don't think I can get any traction in first gear, but I'll try it again. It is so cold out today, you guys. It's like 40 something degrees, like 45, 47 degrees. I think I may run back inside to get myself a sweater. Not bad for a cold startup, huh? Let's see where the power comes in on the first gear. Guys, that was Chris Delgado's traction control trying to save my ass. Holy shit, that was kind of sketchy. I even loosened up my shift knob. I gripped on so damn tight. It's really cold out, you guys, so that was traction control on. That was it really trying to save me. So, but it looked like the power came on right around 40 miles an hour. Let's see second gear. That's pretty good. I like it. Alright. I don't know if this is gonna work here because I don't think I can get any traction in first gear, but I'll try it again. Going into second, I got kind of sketched out on where the car was going, but god damn. This car is freaking crazy. And you know what's crazy, guys? I don't know if you guys can see it. This is setting 1. This is setting 1 out of 5. Alright, but we definitely got to go check out what's going on with the vibration, because, you know, anything over 100, it starts to feel very weird. I am curious as to what a 60-mile-an-hour roll would feel like in second. Can't go too fast, you guys, because this vibration thing is insane. Whoa. Whoa, shit. That was my setting 1, buddy. I ain't about to do anything reckless around all these people, man. I didn't get a good look at the speedo, but when I'm editing, I'm gonna go back and look at it. I didn't hit red line, that's for sure, but that was really good for a second gear. Back then I had to be in first gear in order to actually get into power in a highway. So far, everything's working out very well. Now, before some of you guys comment, yes, it would have made for some good content to go and race that bike. Yes, I probably could have smoked it, but bro, look at all these people on the highway. Like, nah, dude, I'm not about to do that, bro. If it was 3, 4, 5 in the morning, there's nobody out there and I'm not gonna risk anybody's lives, yeah, maybe I probably would have gone for it. Maybe would have showed that dude what's up, what the superpower is. But yeah, not like this. And if a few of you click off from this video after I just said that, then later, bro. This is not the channel for you, man. I don't promote that kind of stuff. That shake is pretty bad though. I'm sure it's coming out on camera, but it is shaking bad. Definitely feels very unsafe and very unstable. 70 is not too bad, but I can still feel it. boys, moment of truth. Can I cruise in 6th gear? Yes, I can. Woo! I can use my 6th gear finally. 70 miles an hour, roughly 2200 RPM. Thank God this worked really well. All right, and I definitely need to get in alignment too. Holy shit. I need to go home and just kind of inspect the whole car, dude. This feels very weird. Oh yeah, and actually I forgot to tell you guys, I did have one dent. I'd had a bend on one of my the front passenger wheel was dented, so I had that fixed. And yeah, now I feel like I feel the vibrating a lot worse. There, bro, that's crazy. I couldn't use third gear like that before. Oh man. This is gonna be a lot more fun. This is insane. Bro, the fact that I can build some boost in 4th gear on the highway is insane. Yeah, I'm really happy with this, man. This is a really good gear setup. All right, boys, so I've been playing around here with the Speedo, and I think I got it down. Looks pretty accurate so far. Alright, so that was 50, let's do 55, 54, out. Alright, yeah, that looks pretty dead on. Guys, the fact that I can actually get into 3rd and 4th gear and actually have like good throttle response at this speed is insane. Before it was just 2nd gear. Like right now I'm in 4th gear. This is crazy. It feels so much nicer, man. Like it's so much more enjoyable. I noticed that whenever I first started driving the car, the vibration was way more aggressive. Like it was really bad going out the highway. I'm sure that you guys could probably see the steering wheel on the dash, everything shaking. And now when I'm going like 65, 70 miles an hour, it's still vibrating, but nowhere near as aggressive as it was in the beginning. Once the tires warm up, they get soft. So I'm gonna go jack up the car. I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm pretty sure that's the problem. But let's go home and check this out. All right, boys, so we made it back home safe. Now let's go ahead and jack up the car, because this is the wheel here that had a little bit of a dent. It was nothing major, very minor dent right here, but the fact that it's still vibrating, I'm gonna put my money on the tires. So we're gonna jack it up, spin them, and see if I'm right. Now I'm honestly not gonna be too surprised, just because these tires are old. Sadly, they do have a lot of life in them, but they are older. I mean, these are the same tires that I've had on the car since I got it. And if you guys remember, I did blow up the engine on this car, so the car did sit for a while. The only thing I can't remember is if I had the car on jack stands. Yeah, you can see it. I'm not sure if it's gonna pick up on camera. All right, you guys, so what I want you to do, so that I'm gonna teach you guys something, so that way you guys can inspect your car too. So I'm gonna try to hold the camera as steady as possible. And what you're gonna wanna do is don't look at the black part, look at this top side over here. And see if that tire goes up and down. If it does, that means we got a flat spot. Oh yeah, I can see that here, let me pull back. Yeah, we definitely got a flat spot here. Let me spin it faster. Again, you guys, I'm not sure if it's coming out on camera, but I can definitely see the tire going up and down, up and down. So it might be time for me to look for some new tires, which sucks because these still have a lot of life left in them. The only thing is, what do we do with these tires? Give me some ideas, boys. What are we gonna do with these tires before we get rid of them? Okay, all right, boy, get back. This one is not as bad. I see a tiny little bit. Come back, boy. I see a tiny little bit, but it's very minimal. Definitely see some up and down action though. Nowhere near as bad as the other side. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Showing you guys how to have fun with your car while still being as responsible as possible. And yeah, that's what I do, man. Appreciate you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Later. Y'all know you're YouTube famous. There's people who comment that they come here just to watch you guys and not me or the cars. I know. I'm gonna start a YouTube page just for you guys. The 3 boosted Huskies. What's up, fat boy? How you doing? Huh? How you doing? Hey, Vitaly. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Hey, say it, come on. I love you. I love you. Alright. I think he's camera shy.